Hey everyone, Little Spot here. Welcome to Mind-Blowing Space and Science. Today we're exploring some of the most incredible cosmic facts that will absolutely blow your mind. From a planet where a day is longer than a year, to a giant storm that could swallow Earth whole, buckle up, because we're about to hop through the universe. Let's get started with something truly out of this world. First up, let's talk about Venus, our planetary neighbor. You might think all planets follow the same rules as Earth, but Venus likes to do things differently. Very differently. Here's the mind bender: a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. That sounds impossible, right? But it's absolutely true. Venus rotates incredibly slowly, so slowly that one full spin takes about 243 Earth days. But its orbit around the Sun takes only 225 Earth days. So a single day on Venus lasts longer than its entire year. Imagine celebrating your birthday every day. Wait, that's even more confusing. I guess you could say Venus really takes its sweet time. Talk about a slow rotation, that planet really knows how to drag a day out. Next up, let's come back to Earth, specifically to Paris, France. You know the Eiffel Tower, right? One of the most famous landmarks in the world. Well, here's something you probably didn't know: the Eiffel Tower grows up to 6 inches taller in the summer. That's right, the iconic Iron Lady changes height with the seasons. It's all because of thermal expansion. Iron expands when it gets hot, and in the summer sun, the Eiffel Tower's iron structure heats up and expands, adding up to 6 inches, about 15 centimeters, to its height. In winter, it contracts back down. So the Eiffel Tower literally breathes with the seasons. It's like the tower is reaching for the summer sun. I guess you could say Paris really knows how to make things rise in summer. That tower really elevates the concept of seasonal change. Now let's zoom way out, about 10,000 light-years away. Deep in space, there's a giant molecular cloud called Sagittarius B2. And here's the incredible part: it contains a massive cloud of alcohol. Not just a little bit, we're talking ethyl alcohol, the same kind you find in drinks. Sagittarius B2 contains enough ethyl alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. That's an astronomical amount of space booze floating out there in the Milky Way. Unfortunately, it's mixed with other chemicals that make it undrinkable, so no space parties just yet. But imagine the cosmic happy hour. I guess when they say the stars are made of spirit, they really mean it. That cloud is the universe's way of throwing an interstellar party. Last fact, and it's a big one. Literally. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for at least 350 years, and probably much longer. But here's what's truly mind-blowing: this single storm is larger than Earth. That's right, you could drop our entire planet into it and it would still have room. The Great Red Spot is a high-pressure anticyclonic storm, with winds reaching speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. It's been observed since the 1600s, and it could easily swallow our entire planet whole. Imagine a storm that never stops, forever raging, forever spinning, for centuries on end. That storm really puts earthly weather in perspective. I guess when Jupiter throws a tantrum, it throws the biggest one in the solar system. Talk about having a stormy personality. And that's a wrap for today's cosmic journey. Let's recap: a day on Venus is longer than its year, the Eiffel Tower grows in summer, there's a giant cloud of alcohol in space, and Jupiter's Great Red Spot could swallow Earth whole. I'm Little Spot, and I hope these facts made you look at the universe differently. Space is full of surprises, literally out of this world. Share these with a friend who loves learning cool stuff. I'll hop by again soon with more amazing facts. Remember to stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop hopping. See you next time.